Brimo and Two-Face beef gets to another level. My great problem, when I know Brimo and Two-Face matter, we say Two-Face accusations say he enter wife yonder. No be so where him and Two-Face they been get you. According to himself, just as I tell una before, he say Two-Face been no accusation am say sleepy with his wife. So he come still talk say no be small thing na so Two-Face to organize so where they lure am go hotel where they go beaty am. So now he can say he been done confrontation Two-Face about the matter so Two-Face can say no be him no be him. So as Brimo can carry that matter come for inside social media, many people can criticize, say no good, even Daddy Free say no good, him and Daddy Shoki they still do live videos, say no good, I don't do all those videos and all that. Some people say may they allow people may they express themselves, the way they will express themselves. That's Sonia Ogiri, they don't get that one finish. So now Two-Face can take his own action saying he can sue him for defamation of character, but he says he get option to apologize, if not he go sue for 1 billion naira. Now Brimo can insultation Two-Face. So because I have received this from Innocent Idibia's lawyers, also it reads, I will advise they go to court. As I insist on all my tweets, because I advise Two-Face say, bros, your reign is over, stay at home. Now music we there for here, no be Godfather we there to be up to Tubaba and his fans. If it's Brimo that will ascend the throne, that will also be up to the fans and of course at least a dozen other incredible talented and eminently qualified artists, most of whom clearly tick more of the relevant boxes than Brimo. But then again, it's every man's right to dream and aspire. What is unacceptable is making false and defamatory statements. Nothing can be further from the truth than Brimo's statement. Those who know Innocent Idibia will struggle to situate him in the spirit scenarios in the incredulous narrative Brimo has contrived. Brimo will have an opportunity to substantiate his claims with proof in court. If he fails to do that, the law will take its course. Fully Tubaba will not dissipate energy engaging Brimo in media exchange. Only a court of competent jurisdiction can serve justice to the innocent and enforce punitive actions against the guilty. Anything else is a circus and we are no clowns. Manager consultant already declared say Lady Kyra constantly shook my proof for the mattress. Say Brimo is just drumming up momentum to push his career. The PR strategy is whack, doing it while discrediting someone so loved by the same market demographic you want to win over. Your management sucks as bad as the idea, because whatever you release will be criticized even harder given the energy you put out before the drop. Love is usually the best platform to push music amid and classical status, especially for indie sounds. Well, many other musicians and celebrities that don't follow Shugma for the Matthias more watch the videos.
So for the past few days now, I've been seeing posts about Brimo, saying all sorts of things, about Two-Face. Yeah, we know this whole situation is kind of unpleasant, but Brimo, you chop me, because I don't understand how you, Brimo, can open your mouth and say Two-Face's reign is over, Two-Face should go and sit down, Two-Face should turn farmer, now you they do good music. What good music you they do? I be your fans, they don't deceive you, they tell you say they do good music. Now make you can't say you can disrespect Two-Face or say anything you want to Two-Face. Brimo, be like say this overconfidence won't. Yes, we love you and we love your music, but this one that this journey that you want to embark on, for you. I don't want to be you. saying to Two-Face that Two-Face's reign is over. Two-Face should go and turn farmer. Brimo, you.
Isikora is a king forever. Go and sort out your issues with him, but no disrespect will be allowed from nobody. Sam Clef can follow us say Brimo is sick. This total disrespectful. These are people that pave way for this new generation. It's like insulting own father and mother that brought you to this war. You fit get talent, but see, there are laws that govern this universe.
Brimo Olawale, you need to get yourself checked for real. You know, I quiet since I lock up at the wait whether I go hear anybody address the fact that Brimo actually insult Two-Face. The fact say you accuse Two-Face, say one thing, I thank you for this, that's not my fucking business. That's a personal issue. If it actually happened, then the appropriate quarters will handle that part. But for you to now wake up from sleep, say Two-Face, your time don't pass, go open farm or something. From who? You and your time no start at all. Then everybody quiet for that. I'm gonna Two-Face with the talk, two Baba, our king. All of a sudden, everybody, all of Brimo, you drink soda. No make I know now. No, they see, man's way to let's even make this thing. If you worry about not be if you worry about at this point. Now I'm a fan of two Baba, 20-something years of career. Then get people untouchable fucking legends, icons of this country. They see the bunch one. But then two Baba case different. Now everybody, if I don't want to know who you be, if you the rain now, Two-Face at one point in time inspire you. So one Brimo. Oh, you sabi sing, you get talent. Good for you, bro. But sadly, entertainment they look who talent, they look who they reign. And Two-Face in that regards, apart from saying get talent past you, he has been reigning for years. Do you understand? But what people even fail to understand is say music, no be sports. So there's no really competition in music. That's just the bitter truth. But if somebody don't give you their life for 20-something years, still they push further, too many people come on with Two-Face, they don't calm down. Baba still there on top. Say anybody want feature Two-Face, Two-Face cause stress. You even say you say me you can feature it for a song, you call it thinker. You? No, they be like say get where Brimo the ring when we don't know. I get mad love and respect for your talent, too. Don't get it twisted. But you see this personality where they bring come out so. Bro, you say Two-Face, your time don't pass. Go open farm. You already get farm safe. Now me you start to work there now remain. Yes, let somebody come out and say shit. Because say people they quiet, so Brimo go saw Two-Face will quiet. Baba Chris. Get out! Get out! What did happen for this country? What did happen, safe? Why? Since when?
My cry people then how una see this mattress and even know waiting to think again. Who they at fault? Yeah. Hey, wahala. Wanna let me know for the comment section. Alright, wanna thank you so much for watching me. Wanna stay beautiful. Wanna bye.